Hello, everyone. Welcome back. It's such a nice day, isn't it? I was just thinking, traveling is so much fun, but sometimes it can be stressful too. Nina, how are you feeling today?
I'm good, Nero. A little excited, actually. I was looking at some travel photos earlier. It reminded me of small trips we forget, simple little journeys. And you, how's your mood today?
Yeah, I feel curious, like thinking about trips I've never taken. Friends, this episode is about real spoken English, not perfect textbook English. Mistakes are normal. We make them too. So just relax and join us. And if you like this cozy style, you can softly subscribe and stay with us.
Yes, exactly. We'll speak slowly, naturally, like two friends talking about travel. No rules, just daily English. Okay, Nero, shall we start?
So today, we're talking about travel. Not just big trips, but small trips, vacations, even weekend journeys. Nina, when you hear travel, what's the first thing you think about?
Planes, trains, buses, and packing, hotels, food. But honestly, I also think about small trips, like going to the beach or a nearby city. People usually say travel means a big vacation, but in real life, it's not always like that.
Exactly. Even a day trip can be travel. And the words we use sometimes sound strange in textbooks. We'll talk naturally about how we actually say it in English. So, listeners, just imagine we're chatting over coffee about trips.
Okay, let me try. I was traveling to Paris last year. Does that sound okay, Nero?
It's understandable, but a little heavy. In daily English, we usually say, I went to Paris last year. Simple past, short, easy to say.
Yes, I went to Paris last year. Much smoother. I sometimes say I was traveling because I want it to sound fancy, but simple is better.
Exactly. Also, when we talk about trips, small words work best. I visited Rome, I stayed in a hotel, I ate local food. Short, clear sentences.
Last summer, I went to the mountains. I said to my friend, I was going to the mountains. Then I corrected myself. No, I went to the mountains. It felt better to speak simply.
Yes, correction is normal. Even native speakers do it sometimes. It's part of real English. People often say, I make a trip to London. It's understandable, but more natural is, I took a trip to London, or I went to London.
Yes, and small verbs again. I traveled, I visited, I went. No need for make a trip in casual conversation. It sounds formal.
Exactly. And when you talk about plans, I am going to travel next week is fine, but I travel next week also works in spoken English. Very casual, very human.
Try this now. Say one sentence about a past trip. For example, I went to the beach last month and I felt happy.
Or I visited my friend's city and I felt excited. Different action, different feeling. Say it out loud if you can. Next, transportation. Many learners say, I go by bus. That's okay, but sometimes they say, I am going by bus when it's a regular habit. We usually say, I go by bus. I travel by train. I fly to Paris. Simple verbs.
Yes, and small words matter. I take the bus. I ride a bike. I catch a taxi. These are very common. Not too long, very natural.
And feelings help again. I take the bus and I feel relaxed. I fly to London and I feel nervous. Adds life to your sentence.
Yesterday, I took a taxi to the airport. I said, I am taking a taxi. Then I realized, no, I took a taxi. Small correction, but it feels smoother.
Yes, even small travel sentences need simple past. Listeners, notice how small corrections make English sound natural. Now let's talk about travel plans. People say, I plan to travel to Spain. That's correct. Or, I'm planning to go to Spain next summer. Both are fine, depends on how formal you want to sound.
Yes, I'm planning is more spoken style. I plan is slightly more formal. Also, small changes. I hope to go to Spain is very natural. Simple hope, simple verb.
And you can add a feeling. I hope to go to Spain and I feel excited. Short, human, real English.
Your turn. Say one sentence about a future trip. For example, I'm planning to visit my cousin and I feel happy.
Or, I hope to go to the mountains and I feel excited. Different feeling, different action. Good practice for real spoken English. Let's talk about experiences during travel. Many learners say, I enjoyed my travel, but it's more natural to say, I enjoyed my trip, or I had a great trip.
Yes, trip is very common in spoken English. Also, short descriptions work best. I had a great trip. I saw beautiful places. I tried local food. Easy and real.
And feelings, again, make it richer. I had a great trip, and I felt happy. I saw the mountains, and I felt amazed. Small sentences, big effect.
Last winter, I went to the countryside. I said, I had a wonderful trip and I felt relaxed. It was simple, but I remember it clearly.
Yes, that's perfect. Notice how feelings make the story human. We don't need long sentences or fancy words. Food is always part of travel. Many learners say, I eat local food, which is fine. But sometimes they say, I am eating local food when it's a past experience. Better to say, I ate local food.
Yes, simple past again. I tried local food. I ate street food. I drank fresh juice. Short verbs, easy sentences.
And feelings, I tried local food and I felt excited. I ate ice cream and I felt happy. See? Very natural.
Try one sentence now. For example, I ate pizza in Italy and I felt deliciously full.
Or, I tried sushi in Japan and I felt curious. Small sentence, short verb, feeling attached. Good practice. Travel is not only about places, it's also about people. Many learners say, I met with local people. Better, I met local people.
Yes, short and natural. I met local people. I talked with locals. I made friends. Simple, everyday English.
And you can add feelings. I met local people and I felt happy. I made friends and I felt excited. Short, human, and clear.
On my last trip, I met a family in a small town. I said, I met local people and I felt very welcomed. Simple sentence, big feeling.
Yes, exactly. Even short sentences can be memorable. Listeners, remember, feelings make English alive. When we talk about activities, short verbs work best. People say, I did hiking, which is a mistake. Better, I went hiking. I went swimming. I went sightseeing.
Yes, and adding time helps. I went hiking in the morning. I went sightseeing in the city. Natural daily English.
And feelings again, I went hiking and I felt tired but happy. I went sightseeing and I felt amazed. Simple sentences like this are perfect for learners.
Your turn. Say one travel activity with a feeling. For example, I went swimming and I felt refreshed.
Or, I went hiking and I felt tired but excited. Different activity, different emotion. Try speaking out loud. Weather is often part of travel stories. I traveled in summer. I went to Paris in winter. Very simple. Some learners say, I am traveling in summer for a past trip. Better, I traveled in summer.
Yes, and feelings. I traveled in summer and I felt hot but happy. I went in winter and I felt cold but amazed. Short sentences, real English.
Small prepositions matter. In summer, in winter, in the morning, at night. Very common, very simple.
Last year, I traveled in winter to the mountains. I said, I traveled in winter and I felt cold but happy. Simple and real.
Yes, that's exactly how learners should speak. Short, natural sentences, feelings attached. Sometimes trips are not perfect. People say, I had problem in travel. Better, I had a problem during my trip. Or even shorter, I had a problem on my trip.
Yes, small corrections make it sound human. I missed my train and I felt stressed. I lost my bag and I felt worried. Short sentences, natural English.
And mistakes, don't worry. Even if you say, I missed train, people understand. It's fine, but better to attach a short feeling.
Try one now. For example, I lost my wallet and I felt worried. Say it slowly.
Or, I missed the bus and I felt stressed. Different problem, different emotion. Good practice for real conversations. One fun part of traveling is learning about culture and language. Many learners say, I learned language, but better, I learned some local words, or I practiced local language.
Yes, very natural. I learned greetings. I tried local phrases. I asked questions. Short verbs, short sentences. And feelings help again. I learned greetings and I felt curious.
Exactly. And if you make a small mistake, no problem. I tried local words, correct to I tried local words. Real English is about learning, not perfection.
Last trip, I tried ordering coffee in another language. I said, I tried local words and I felt nervous. It was simple but memorable.
Perfect example. Notice the small verb, the feeling, very human. That's exactly how you want to speak about travel. People love to share favorite moments. Many learners say, my favorite moment is I see sunset. Better, my favorite moment was seeing the sunset. Past tense is key.
Yes, and feelings again. My favorite moment was seeing the sunset, and I felt calm. My favorite moment was trying local food, and I felt excited. Short verbs, short sentences.
And small details are good. My favorite moment was seeing the sunset on the beach. Simple prepositions help. On, at, in.
Try one now. For example, my favorite moment was visiting the museum, and I felt amazed. Say it slowly and clearly.
Or, my favorite moment was swimming in the lake and I felt happy. Different action, different emotion. Very natural spoken English. Shopping is also part of travel for many people. Some learners say, I do shopping. Better, I went shopping, or I shopped.
Yes, and feelings again. I went shopping and I felt excited. I shopped for souvenirs and I felt happy. Short verbs, short sentences.
And small details are good. I bought postcards. I bought a small gift. Listeners, see how simple English can be rich with tiny details?
Last trip, I bought a small scarf. I said, I bought a scarf and I felt happy. Very short, very simple.
Yes, perfect example. Even one small sentence can tell your whole experience. No need for long explanations. People also share tips. I recommend visiting this place. Very common. Or, you should try the local food. These are very simple daily English phrases.
Yes, and casual ones. You can take the bus to the museum. Don't miss the sunset in the mountains. Short sentences, very human.
And feelings can go naturally. You should try the local food. It's amazing, and you feel happy. Short verbs, small feelings. That's the style we're teaching here.
Try one tip now. For example, you should visit the park and you will feel relaxed.
Or, I recommend trying the ice cream and it tastes great. Different tip, different feeling. Practice makes it real. At the end of a trip, we often reflect. I enjoyed my trip. I learned a lot. I felt happy. Very simple.
Yes, and small corrections help. I was enjoying my trip. Better, I enjoyed my trip. Past tense works best for completed trips.
And attach one feeling. I enjoyed my trip and I felt relaxed. I traveled to Italy and I felt amazed. Short, clear, natural.
After my last trip, I said, I enjoyed my trip and I felt tired but happy. Just 3 short sentences. Very human.
Yes, exactly. Short sentences, feelings, small actions. That's what real spoken English looks like for travel.
Now, try one reflection sentence. For example, I went to the mountains and I felt calm. Say it slowly and clearly.
Or, I visited a small town and I felt welcomed. Different trip, different feeling. Nice and natural. So, we've talked about trips, small journeys, big vacations, and all those little experiences that make travel special. Think about your own travel moments. Even small ones count.
Yes, maybe a short trip to the park, or a visit to a friend's city, or even trying a new dish in your neighborhood. Try telling your day in small sentences with feelings. That's the real English practice.
You can even write 1 or 2 sentences in the comments. For example, I went to the beach and I felt happy. Or I visited my cousin and I felt excited. Short, human, real sentences.
And remember, mistakes are normal. We all make them, even us. The key is to speak honestly, attach feelings, and keep it simple.
Thank you for joining us today. If this conversation helped you, softly subscribe, like, and share it with someone learning English. We'll keep talking, slowly, warmly, and honestly.
Take care, enjoy your travels, and notice your little experiences every day. We'll see you in the next conversation. Bye for now.